The whole front of the house is now way more open, but this fence is not getting in right in my view. So the next thing is, let's get rid of the fence. This may not be as difficult as we might think. First bit done. It's time to go and find the crowbar that I have somewhere in the house. Final segment, 2 poles, but final segment, and I'll have to get it all out from down there. I do like this Jemmy. I kept some of the timber, but look how much better this is through here without that railing. Removing the railing really opens up the view.